Rise is a lot of different meanings. It's a call to action to rise from the dead and actually live. We all die many small deaths in heartbreaks, in failures, but oh, how we rise, strong and better. Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high, still I'll rise. Let your light shine, be a source of strength and courage, share your wisdom, radiate love. Sometimes you have to burn yourself to the ground before you can rise like a phoenix from the ashes. Texts. And if you don't believe the sun will rise, stand alone and greet the coming night in the last remaining light. Do you wish to rise? Begin by descending. You plan a tower that will pierce the clouds. Lay first the foundation of humility. You will rise again. Rise up, take courage, and do it. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Don't be the girl who fell, be the girl who got back up. Just keep going, everybody gets better if they keep at it. Rise with the hour for which you were made. Rise in great might to fulfill your special specific mission. We rise to great heights by a winding staircase of small steps. What seems to us as bitter trails are often blessings in disguise. In order to rise from its own ashes, a phoenix first must burn. Yesterday is not ours to recover, but tomorrow is ours to win or lose. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. If you believe in what you are doing, then let nothing hold you up in your work. Always rise from the table with an appetite, and you will never sit down without one. A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. The way for a young man to rise is to improve himself in every way he can, never suspecting that anybody wishes to hinder him. If you don't like the road you are walking, start paving another one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.